markets. The first rates on your screen, viewers, and once again, it's sort of a tepid start for the markets. Nifty 50 trading absolutely flat right now, but holding on to that level of 24,500 mark, very near to that. Flat start for the Nifty Bank as well, but it's Kotak Mahindra Bank all the way. That is indeed the top gainer on the Nifty 50 side, because UBS has actually gone ahead and upgraded the rating on this particular counter like we have been flagging. Other than that, it's financials, like we have been saying, that the Reliance Group of Industries will be in focus today. Let's watch out for that. Bharti Airtel, ITC, HUL, these are your other movers on the Nifty 50 side. On the flip side, M&M, Shriram Finance, Apollo Hospitals, IndusInd Bank, these are your laggards in today's trading session. But you can't complain much given the breadth of the market is looking quite cheerful just at the start itself, wherein over 900 stocks are seen to be advancing on the NSE side versus a decline of almost 600 counters. But let's also tell you some of the other news makers then. And firstly, let's pull up CG Power. We have been flagging off that how the company has actually commenced the semiconductor manufacturing from their plant in Sanand, and that stock is actually the top gainer on the Nifty 50 side. Add to that list is RBL Bank. Associate General has gone ahead and bought the shares worth 79 crores, and that stock too is the top gainer on the Nifty 50. The telecom majors like IndusInd, Bharti, they are also seen to be shining bright. Granules India, interestingly, after a while we are seeing a pharma major perking up to being one of the top gainers on the F&O side. That stock is holding strong with almost 2.5% of the gain at the start. Select staples like Dabur, Britannia, they are holding up well. And add to that list is Select Financials as well, wherein I see that some of these counters within the financial basket, apart from Kotak and RBL, they are seen to be perking up and giving that leg up to the Nifty banking index. On the flip side, what's not doing well is actually Nykaa. Seems like a bit of a profit booking rather, and after that announcement of going global with their select beauty brands in UK, that stock is a bit hammered, almost a 2% cut over there. SBI Cards, Paytm, these are some of the laggards on the F&O side. So all in all, a decent start for the market. It's the new series, and for now, the Nifty as well as Nifty Bank, they are seen to be holding in the green. But Mansi, any stock that is looking and perking up on the charts?
Yeah, a decent start to the series, and on the face of it, if you see the larger players, it is the Kotak Bank, Bharti Airtel, ITC, Reliance, HUL, which are the major contributors to this decent start. And on the flip side, if you see, it's Mahindra and Mahindra, ICICI Bank, Infosys, L&T and NTPC, which are the major laggards. It's the NSE indices tracker on your screen, and along with it, if we have a look at the sector-specific approach of the market, barring real estate and auto, we see the FMCG, pharmaceutical, PSU Bank, metal, IT, financial services and energy spaces absolutely in this order, performing positively in trade at present. But then now on to an ET now exclusive. Markets may be range-bound, volatile in the near term, but with GST reforms, festive demand tailwinds and India's long-term growth story intact, what should investors really focus on? To get a sharper perspective on the road ahead for equities, our very own Aisha Faridi is catching up exclusively with Milind Karmarkar. Let's listen in to that conversation.